Hi, it's Frank from Mann Lake, and today I'm going to talk to you about using a propolis trap. Now, why would you want to do that? Propolis has become a product that a lot of people are starting to make use of. You can make tinctures out of it and a lot of things. It's got those antifungal, antimicrobial properties. A lot of naturalists use it. So how do we collect it? We could just go in and scrape it all around off the frames, off the sides of the boxes as the bees put it there, or we can put a trap in there for the bees to propolis for us. Now bees have what we call bee space, right? 3/8 of an inch. So if we put a queen excluder on, the bees don't propolis that because the space is big enough. When you get a propolis trap, these grooves are much smaller, so the bees are going to want to close them up. What do they close things up with this small? A lot of times they just propolis it. So we're going to put this on the colony, and we're going to put it on top of the second brood box. So all I would do is remove the lid, and I'm going to put it on like that. The rigid side down, the flat side on top. The bees will come back, and after, depends what time of season it is, how quickly they propolis that, but they'll propolis that. And when it's, they got a lot of it sealed up, come in there, you take a look, there's a lot of propolis in those grooves. We're just going to come back and remove this. Now, we don't want to ever put this between the brood box and our honey soup. It's always got to be on the very top. So we come back, we've removed it, they propolis this. All we have to do is take this, put it in our freezer for a day or two, and then we can come back and we crack that propolis right out. And then we could render it, make our tinctures, whatever we're going to do with it. It's very, very easy. Like I said, it's become a popular product. And the more income you can derive from your hive, the better it is for your beekeeping. You're going to save money. You're going to make money. It's a very, very easy thing to do. And, it doesn't take a lot of work. Generally, the very summer months is when they're going to really propolis things. So if your honey flows over, your spring flows over, you pull your honey supers off, you put this on. Again, very, very easy to do. Not much work to it. Pop it off, on, we come back. Thanks for watching the video. We'll have a lot more on our YouTube channel. Make sure you subscribe.